So there is a whole reason why I prefer these sleeves for my rods better than this ones. You know, you may have this ones, and by the way, there's a super windy day today and I was fishing, so I hope that the microphone is not bothering too much, but you may have these ones, and these ones are okay, but with these ones, I kind of like keep fighting with the hooks, and if I had like a square bill or a jerkbait or something like that, and or a crankbait, and I had like a treble hook or something like that, these ones were always tangling up with the hooks. So again, these ones are okay, but these are not the best ones. The best ones are going to be these ones. These are the ones that I have now, these Dr.Fish ones. And the reason why is just because of this. Check this out. Check this fabric. This is the fabric we want. You know, this is the one that is not going to get tangled with any of the hook, not any of the lines, not a single lure you have or any bait or something like that, because these ones are super nice and reinforced. And they don't have kind of like the holes that this ones have. So these are going to be so much better. And they come in multiple sizes. I have the 6.6 and the 7.1, but they come in 6.0, 6.1, 6.6, 7.1, and I believe 7.8 as well. You can see that this one fits perfectly this rod, as you're going to see over here. But this is the important thing. You can actually adjust this one if you want with this kind of like elastic strap, but also you have this straps over here, which is the one that's going to keep it in place with your reel. So that is super good to have. And again, they also comes in packs. I think they have a pack of 4 and a pack of 6, actually 2, 4, and 6, I think so. So you can actually give it some to a friend, like I did. I had my friend fishing over there. I had a few of these ones, and I gave him like 2 or 3 or something like that. But this one, the Dr.Fish, are the ones that you need because they're not going to tangle with your hooks, and you can adjust, and they have multiple size and multiple packs as well. Just drop this one. Don't use these ones anymore, and get your Dr.Fish rod sleeve. 100% recommended.